Thank you for your purchase of Just Add Lightness LED indicator repeaters. It's advisable to disconnect your battery before commencing with any work on your car. Here's a short guide to help you with installation. Within this guide, we'll show you a couple of options to choose when installing your repeaters. The indicator wire runs through the cycle wing and then through the front tube of the cycle wing stay. The wire exits the wing stay towards the bottom. It then runs along the rear of the top wishbone. By removing your bonnet cover, you can trace the wire to the connector and cut approximately 2 inches from the connector. Use an 8mm spanner to remove the nuts from the back of the repeater. Remove the screw holding the earth wire to the wing stay. Remove the cable ties holding the wire to the upper wishbone. Begin to pull through the old wire. Now pull the wire back through the wing stay. It's a good idea to attach a trace wire to pull through. This will help you install the new wire. Take your new repeater and feed the 2 wires through the hole in the wing. Fix in place with 2 nuts and tighten with an 8mm spanner. Fix the earth wire to the wing stay using the screw removed previously. Now feed the new wire back through the wing stay. By using a trace wire you pulled through the tube earlier will make this job much easier. Thread the wire through the plastic protective tube and secure in place with a cable tie. Use further cable ties to securely mount the wire to the upper wishbone. Solder your new wire to the wire cut from the connector earlier. Using cable ties, tidy any excess cable to the chassis and then secure the connector in place. Now it's time to test your new repeater. If the flashing pattern is incorrect, you may need a different relay. Please contact us. An alternative installation for the LED indicator repeater is to simply disconnect the earth as previously shown in the video. Then cut through the indicator wire instead of removing it from the wing stay. Leave enough wire to solder the new indicator wire. Then cover the joint with heat shrink and attach the new earth wire to the wing stay. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@justaddlightness.co.uk.